Now, do you want to run more than one account on any platform on your PC, or you just want to create an extra account after you've been banned from a platform, or you just want to browse anonymously? Here is an interesting software you are going to use. It is called Bitbrowser. All right, you can use it to run multiple accounts. Okay, you can use to run multiple accounts, and it will give you can give each of the accounts different browsing fingerprints or device fingerprints. Okay, well, device fingerprint is what's it called? Is something that sites use to identify your device. They use to identify your device, the phone they are using or the system they are using. So that when next you come, they will know who is coming. Okay. But when you use Bitbrowser, it is going to change your fingerprints. You'll use it to change the device fingerprints to a separate, what's it called, system or PC entirely. All right. So which this is why it is helpful. So you can use like for their free platform, you can have up to 10 browsing profiles. Okay, so you can create 10 different accounts on a website. All right, you can create 10 different accounts on a website, and then you can browse like you are using different devices on the same laptop. Okay, which is very very good, especially for those running service. Is a very good thing. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into it. First thing you are going to do, you are going to come to bitbrowser.com or .net, sorry, bitbrowser.net, as you can see up here, bitbrowser.net. Okay, you are going to come to bitbrowser.net, then you click on download. Okay, you click on download on the home page. You can just click this menu button here, then click on download. Okay, let's go. So once you click on download, you are going to see a lot of options. Okay, here are the options for depending on your system. So you select the what's it called, your system or your PC, which PC are you using, you select it. If you are using Mac or operating system, you are using whatever you are using. Okay, so in my case I use what's it called, um Windows operating system, right? So basically, you can just click on, if it's 64-bit, you can just click on download. If it's not 64, if it's 32-bit, you can just, what's it called? So you can also select the version you want to download here, alright? Select the versions you want to download, okay? So once you click on download, I'm not going to download it because I already have it on my laptop. Okay, let me just click on that. Once you click on downloads, it is going to show you this puzzle image, right? So what you are going to do, you drag this into, oh my god, this is something else. Let me change this. So once you click on download, you drag this. What I do, I will just use my PC. Let's try again. You drag it like that. Once you drag it, you will see that it is going to start downloading. What's holding you, my brother? So once you hit download like that, you are going to see it start downloading. So you go to your browser, downloads, and see the progress. Okay. Once it's done downloading, let me stop this. Once it stop downloading, you see it show downloads complete here. Okay. So what you are going to do is this: you are going to click on this, what's it called, file to open it, and click on open. Yeah, once as it's opening, you just be following the instructions so that it will install on your PC. Okay. Once you as you are installing, as it's downloading, so the next thing you are going to do is you are going to move right back to the home page. All right, you move back. So you're gonna move back and then you sign up. You click on this sign up button, but I will advise you to do it on your phone, okay? Because the sign up, what's it called, the capture button doesn't really work on doesn't really work on the system on my PC. On most places I've tried. Okay, so you are going to come here. Yes, you do this on your phone, right? Enter your email, enter the password you want to use, enter the password again, enter the email, enter the email, then you click on get code. They'll send the code to your email. Once they send the code to your email, you go to the email and then copy and paste the code here, alright? Then leave this as this USD and then click on agree, then sign up, okay? Once you've signed up, the next thing is to log in to open the app. If the app has finished downloading, right, you are going to open the app, log in the app, alright? Open the software. Where are you? Okay, once you've opened the software, you are going to see your dashboard like this. Okay, you log into the account you just created, alright? So you come here, you see dashboard like this. So this is where you're going to click on this browser profiles, alright? Browser profiles. Click on browser profiles. Let me show you very well. This is the browser profiles. Click on it, okay? Once you click on the browser profiles, you are going to see this page, alright? So this is like the browsers you are going to be using. Okay, you are going to be using browser like as you can see. I told you before that you have up to 10 free profiles, right? Like as you can see here, I already have up to 10 free profiles here. I have 1 to 10 profiles here. That means I'm running 10 different accounts on on this particular website, my website, right? It's actually my own website. Right. So what you're gonna do is this to add a profile. Now, once if you just created an account, you are going to see that your account is going to here is going to be blank. There will be nothing. All right. So what you are going to do is this: you click on this plus button right here. Okay. Click on this plus button. You click on the plus button. Yeah. So once you are here, next thing you are gonna do is add your name. Okay. Add the name of the account you are going to be running. So personally, I like, let's say, I have an account, okay, on the website, right, and the name is let's say Adam. Okay, I just type in Adam here. So if I'm clicking on this profile now, I know that yes, the name of the account is Adam, alright. So if the next account I'm going to click, maybe I can just put Mercy or Joy, depending on the name of the account, okay. So what else next? Okay, let's say Adam, that's the name of the account. Then this group is actually not important. Forget about the group. Then what else? Platform. You just select custom and where is custom? Custom platform, alright. Can select custom. You can just leave it blank. Okay, you can leave it blank. And this username and password is not important. This multiple allowed. Okay. Then what next? So you scroll down. Let me change this. So you scroll down to this place. Scroll down to this place, you see this proxy, right? This is a site for proxy. So what you're gonna do is this. You are going to this is what go. You tap on this for the proxy, right? You see proxy, the proxy method, right? Click on make it custom. It's already on custom, okay? So look up channel, you can just leave it like that. Then the proxy type, alright? The proxy type, you are going to select what? Socks 5, okay? Socks 5. So you select socks 5, then you input the socks 5 username, alright? Username and host, alright? Let's say if you are using PR proxy, for example, you are going to copy the IP address, okay, that you'll be given. So once you copy the IP address, you are going to click on check, okay. Once you click on check, you see that yeah, it's showing the username, what's it called? It's showing the location, right? It will show you successful, then it will show you ongoing thing here. This is where you are going to see. This is where you are going to see your details, alright? Okay, what next is this? What is next? Okay, So since I already have how many listing, I won't be able to. Let me open one of the profiles and edit and show you. So as you can see, this is what I was telling you about, alright? So now after adding the, what's it called, the IP, right? After adding the IP, look down here. Where is this one? Look down here, right? You see, I've added everything, the username and password, the port, and the rest, and the rest, and the rest, alright? So after adding them, you click on this check button here, check proxy. So once you click on check proxy, it's going to show you the location and all of the, what's it called, you can see. Can you see, right? See here, look at this here. So it's showing that the proxy is UK, blah 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 blah. So that means everything is correct, okay? So you can just click on this other button down here to change the fingerprint, right? To make a, give you a random fingerprint or something. So at this point, what are you going to do next? Click on confirm, okay? Click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it will save, alright? It will save the profile you just edited. So once you come here, look for that particular profile and click on open, alright? Click on this open. You see open. If you want to open this one, which are they do? If you want to open this one, you click on open. If you want to open this one, you click on open. If you want to open this one, you click on open. Alright. So whatever you, whichever one you want to open, just click on open. Alright. So let's open the one that I just finished editing. Okay, open. So once you open, the person details you use, alright, everything is going to be set there, alright. You don't have to do any other setting. Once you click on open, it will open. Then you can just check your IP, and you see that yeah, everything is correct. You open now. Okay, so now it has opened. So let's just check our IP and see. Let's use Hua.net. What is this one we type now? Let us see. You can see Hua.net is showing you your IP. My IP is in the, I'm connected to the UK. Alright, I'm connected to the UK as we did. Alright, so that means everything is correct. So you can just open the browser, what's it called? Enter any site you want to log into on your. So I got disconnected, but that's basically it. That's basically what you are going to do. All right, that's basically what you're going to do. You just enter the website. After that, you just enter the website you want to log into, and you are done. Okay. So if you want to try another account, you create another profile. Okay. If you want to open any other account, create another profile for and just like we did, follow the same pattern, create another profile, and you are done. All right. I think that's that for that. Sorry, this video was a little bit rowdy and it wasn't well. Whatever, anyone shall let what you online. All right, thanks for watching to the end. All right, guys. Bye. See you in the next video.